Joining me today is Murray Kent, Product Manager of Vibrating Equipment at Metso, who'll be speaking at IR's Wet, Sticky and High Clay Ores Summit on the 16th to 17th of November in Perth. Murray, thanks very much for joining me today.
Oh, that's fine, thanks. Yep.
First of all, how much of a problem are wet, sticky ores to the mining sector?
Well, it's been identified as an issue as the iron ore producers are working further down into ore bodies below the water table. There is a much higher level of fines is brought up with the material. The ore has problems with adhering fines and clays, and that has to be washed off. But initially, it has to be screened as well, and with conventional screening technology, it's not possible to get an efficient screening operation.
And what new technology has Metso been pioneering for the screening of difficult ores?
We spent the last 2 years working with Vale and Caraçadas in Brazil, working on what we call a new elliptiflow technology, and it's a machine that addresses the need to operate at much higher G-force while addressing the engineering issues involved around producing a machine that would do that.
How does the equipment work in practice, and how labour intensive is it to install and manage in a typical mining operation?
It's no different in terms of footprint or operation or requirements for maintenance as conventional screening technology. It just does it a lot more efficiently and also induces a lot more energy into the particles. To the untrained eye, the screen doesn't look much different to what a conventional machine would be.
And what plans do you have for developing this and new equipment in the future?
Well, at the moment we've produced machines up to 2.4 metres wide. There is a requirement in the industry to produce machines up to 4.2 metres wide and 8.5 metres long. Now, we have development work going on at a number of other installations, which I can't name for confidentiality reasons, but and we're openly looking for a trial site in Australia where this technology can be tested as well.
You're speaking at IR's Wet, Sticky and High Clay Ores Summit on the 16th to 17th of November in Perth. What will you be addressing in your presentation?
Well, I think it'll be interesting to the process engineers alone. You know, we've presented this technology to a number of high-level groups within EPCM companies and also the major iron ore producers, and it's never failed to gain interest just by the sheer fact that we can operate at much higher G-force. And produce a product, and also produce a product in a throughput about 20% higher than what they would normally get through a standard machine. It's quite amazing the reaction it's actually got, and we've got a number of interested parties actually talking to us about doing some trials.
Murray Kent, thanks very much for your time today. We're looking forward to the presentation in November in Perth.
Excellent.